Hello guys. So we will create first test case. Okay. We already created a few test cases, right? Okay. In this project, we will create one test case. Okay. Now go here. Use your Swag Labs. Swag Labs. Okay. Now source the version one. Okay. I will go with Lambda test. Any application. Any application. So okay. Any application will take it. Yes, login. Standard user. Okay. We will do logout. We will do logout here. Okay. Now copy this URL. So before copy this URL, we need to write the script, right? So I am deleting the examples, delete it. Under tests also. So you can delete it or let it, we will keep one test. Go here, create test. Logout, logout, functionality, functionality dot script dot JS. Okay. Here we need to write the test script and I'm clicking on logging out and coming out from the, I'm doing log out from the application. Okay, that is the scenario. Now go here, const. So we need to bring the playwright the right required playwright operate playwright test. Okay, this is the jar we need to pull. Okay, so test is the, this is the format we need to use it. Okay, a log out from the application. Okay, from the application. So or you can use this function. So this is the format you need to use. And you know, right, you need to provide async and await. So here JavaScript is not in sequence, right? The execution is not will not happen in sequence. So async it will order and await will wait for the will wait the command to execute the previous step. Okay. Now we need to create the context of the browser. Const context equal to await await, say browser dot new. Okay, here. So within the function, now you need to provide the browser. Okay, browser dot new context. So it opened the empty page without cookies and all. Constant page equal to await context dot new page. Okay, we open the new page. Once the new page is open, await page dot go to. So launch the URL source demo index.html. Once URL is launched, then get these elements. Okay, username and the password field. Inspect element. So ID, we have ID, right? Go with the ID. ID username is the ID, password is the right password. So await page dot locator. ID, right? I'm using CSS selectors. You can watch my previous videos so to understand about the CSS selectors. Okay, fill of this element. Okay, same. So it has ID, right? No, I can go on here. Okay, password. I can use password. Hash is the for ID. We will put the ID property value by prefixing hash. Okay, with the password, will username. What is the username? Your standard user, right? Password is okay. Once password is done, click on the button. Okay, click on the click on the login button. On the login. So await await page dot locator. So we need to provide the locator dot click. So identify the locator. What is the locator? Button, right? Here button also has ID. Just copy login button dot click ID dot click. After that, click verify user login is successful. Okay, you need to do assertion, right? I do login. Assertion. Okay, once user is logged in, secret sauce. Okay, once user is done, what you can do? User should be logged in, right? So you need to provide whether user is logged in or not. Just go here, copy this item. Okay, get this element. Products, right? Class is the products class. Okay. Just check with the class dot control with one of one element in action, right? Class, get with this class. Const get val get text equal to await page dot locator. Provide this in the class. click, and also we are identifying the element based on the class. Okay. Dot text content. Get the text content. Okay. So you can print the text content if you want. Console dot log get text. So it's a variable, right? Get text. Okay. Once it is done, you need to accept it, right? Expect, 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 mm, get text, get text. This text to contain, to contain, what is that? Products. Okay. So I'm removing the example now. Delete it. So this is our one test. Only it has one test. Okay. Go to here. NPX Playwright. Okay. Test slash browser name equal to Chromium and then header block. Okay. We will run it. Let it run. Let log in. Okay. Here, see the mistake what I did. So okay, we will create one more step and we will identify the issue. Okay. So here I need to put hash. So because the element is identifying with ID hash. So await page dot locator hash login button dot click. So page dot locator. So I miss this hash means identifying the element based on the ID here. Okay. Now we will run the same command. The test got passed. Okay. So the test got passed. Now identify this element. Say it's a open menu button. It's a open menu or it's a hamburger menu. It's a hamburger menu. It has class, right? We will go with this class. Okay. Control dot control V. All right. Page dot locator dot click. Once if it is clicked, then so identify the logout menu item. But when we take the class, no, it will be 4 items. Okay. Dot control V. So it will be Okay, many item beyond it will be 4 items, right? So we have logout ID. We have ID. We can okay, pick the ID. So click here. Select this one. Right? Here, click on logout. And wait page dot locator. So once if it is logout, no, then you need to verify, right? Verify for the login button. Verify for the login button. Copy this. Await page dot locator. Login button. Not visible. Is visible. Just we are saying is visible. Okay. So verify. Verify. Login button is visible. Visible. Okay. So we will run the test case now. We'll see. Copy this. The test case got passed. So you need to see the report, right? So copy this. NPX Playwright. Show report. Copy this. Open this. The test case got passed executed. Right? So one test got passed. So this is the HTML report. From next time onwards, if I run the report, automatically it will generate a HTML report. Okay, we need to run the report. Okay. So copy this code and put it here to show the HTML. Show report. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.